You look at your favorite national team's jersey during the World Cup. It is completely clean. No massive corporate sponsors, no betting websites, and no tech logos plastered across the chest. It feels a bit strange, doesn't it? Especially when club jerseys are completely drowning in advertisements from top to bottom. But the reason behind this pristine look isn't about artistic beauty or tradition. It is a high-stakes, multi-billion-dollar financial war. Why do corporate logos completely vanish on the world stage, yet cover every square inch of club football? When the World Cup kicks off, stadiums and broadcast screens transform into a massive global advertising billboard. But the player's body? That is a strictly forbidden zone. FIFA explicitly bans national teams from displaying private commercial sponsors on their kits during the tournament. And no, this isn't out of respect for national pride or the sanctity of the flag. It is purely to protect FIFA's own massive corporate deals. Global mega-corporations pay billions of dollars to become official tournament partners. If a country's local sponsor were allowed to show up on a jersey for free, it would completely ruin the advertising exclusivity those tournament partners paid for. Yet, there is one major exception that never disappears. The logo of Adidas, Nike, or Puma remains stitched right onto the chest. Why do they escape the ban? Because FIFA does not classify them as commercial sponsors. Instead, they are classified as technical kit manufacturers. Since the jersey and boots are essential equipment for the sport, the manufacturer's logo is permitted, but under brutally strict regulations. The logo cannot exceed exactly 20 square centimeters. What's even crazier is that FIFA officials literally use precise measuring templates to check these logos before the players are even allowed to step onto the pitch. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, because the enforcement gets even weirder. During the 2018 World Cup, the English Football Association was slapped with a massive 70,000 Swiss franc fine. The culprit wasn't even their jersey. It was unauthorized ankle grip socks worn by a few players that displayed a non-approved brand logo. FIFA's crackdowns don't stop at socks either. Even medical tape, wrist wraps, and undergarments are legally barred from showing any commercial branding. It is all part of a relentless legal lockdown to prevent what sports marketers call ambush marketing. So, that clean, classic national jersey you see on the pitch isn't just a symbol of national identity. It is a highly protected piece of legal real estate governed by strict international rules that manage billions of dollars. It looks pristine because every single millimeter has an incredibly high price tag.